Hi, I'm Chris Blankenship, the Commissioner of the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources. I'd like to tell you about a RESTORE-funded project that is underway in Baldwin County, Alabama. The Perdido Land Conservation and Habitat Enhancement land acquisition is key to the protection and recovery of the species impacted by the Deepwater Horizon oil spill 15 years ago. It's the latest in our desire to create a wildlife corridor along the Perdido River. With RESTORE funds, the Alabama Department of Conservation and Natural Resources has purchased over 3,000 acres of undeveloped land in the Perdido watershed. This adds to more than 20,000 acres owned by the department along the Perdido River. The land will be managed under the multiple use management principle to ensure that all resource values, including recreational use and environmental conservation, are protected and enhanced. The Perdido watershed, particularly the undeveloped portions, play a critical role in ecosystem health. The undeveloped areas act as important natural filters, protecting waters that sustain wildlife as well as recreationally and commercially important fish and invertebrates. The wetlands of the Perdido watershed also dampen the impacts of hurricanes and other severe storms. Baldwin County is the fastest growing county in Alabama. Development is putting more and more pressure on our land, rivers, and streams. The pressure has contributed to the loss of habitat and decreased water quality. The Perdido Land Conservation and Habitat Enhancement Project advances the state goals to protect valuable coastal wetlands, conserving optimal habitat for unique native species along the Gulf Coast, and expanding recreational opportunities in the Perdido Wildlife Management Area.